Now, when we talk about compiling a book, and to be honest, this is something that confused me at first. But once I actually got my head around how this works and why it works the way it does, I realized just how incredibly powerful it is and how helpful it is for publishers like you and I, who may well be publishing to 3 or 4 different platforms, either as .mobi to Kindle, EPUB to the iBook Store or Barnes & Noble or to Nook. And obviously for print, we may also want to produce a PDF version that we upload either to CreateSpace or to Lulu or some other print-on-demand service, as well as just printing off a manuscript for our own use, maybe for us to proof and to correct, etc., etc. Now, one of the great things within Scrivener is it will allow you to do all of that with one manuscript. You do not have to create one book for print, one book for the ebook, one book for the EPUB, one book for your own manuscript needs, etc. You can do it all from within here, and using the compile function and the various settings that you can set up within the compile screen, you can have it output in all sorts of different ways that are going to make your book just look exactly right and be in exactly the right format for any given platform. So we're going to go ahead right now, and I'm going to walk you through each one of those setups, beginning with Kindle, and then we'll do the EPUB, and then we'll go on to actually how to set up your book to for a print format, say to upload to CreateSpace as a 5 by 8 inch book. Okay, great.